I knew you had the food in your bag and you give it to you at lunch. Is that what? Huh? Honey.
It'll be enough for 15 now. Well, between 3?
Oh, Nelly.
Between 2?
Are you guys looking for numbers?
4.
First, ready?
Are you allowed? Who you? For who? For your cousin? For you? Are you serious?
If you guys need numbers, I'll ask sir. I have to ask sir first. I don't know if
No, because he's been a dickhead at the moment.
Yeah, maybe he wants us to do some.
Like, it's all about him.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's not for you
So
guys.
two of these. So, guys, the beanies, eh? Can we take the beanies off, please? The jackets are allowed, but beanies.
Come on, boys. Oh.
Johnny,
I just don't
are you going? Where? Huh? Ah, okay. You doing your sister, eh?
Play, Roy. You good?
Alright, guys, so 2, and a group of about 2. You need 2 rows of the same colour.
Of the same
Go
colour?
for a drive?
Yeah.
I think I'm ready.
Are you actually going down?
Yo.
Leroy, do me one please.
I'll choose these.
No, oh, you're being groups of about 3.
Huh?
2 or 3. So 2 are these between 2 or 3.
What the
Check!
Oh, me and Ronnie.
How many, sir? Like,
I have no
many?
car.
15.
15.
About 15, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ronnie! Was you do any sort of drive in the weekend?
Huh?
Was you do any sort of drive in the weekend?
No.
Oh yeah, did you get your restrictor?
Yeah, sure.
Nice. You happy?
But still walking.
Have you got a car?
I got a manual, but don't want to drive that around.
Why not?
I'm not.
You're not confident.
Yeah, not confident.
So you
What's
got
your, Ronnie?
With like.
so you got your restrictor with automatic, eh?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So you
Oh,
can't
so-
drive a manual, right?
Is your van a manual, Ronnie?
Yeah. Yeah.
You can drive it if your dad's got a full license.
It's weird because when you get restricted, the caveat is whatever transmission you got.
Whatever- Yeah, but full, if you do it in the order, you can drive whatever.
Yeah.
If you do it in the manual, you can still drive whatever.
Yeah.
So there's no point really doing it in a manual because you can just learn afterwards.
So what do you do?
Yeah.
Oh, so you need to be into groups of maybe 2 or 3, and in each group you need 2 sticks of 15 of the same color.
Yeah.
All right.
Two stakes of the same colour.
2. Sorry, 15. 2 sticks of 15 of the same color.
What about 16?
No.
That's it. Oh, not like that one.
Mommy! What are you doing that for?
Make life easy.
Why would you do that, Ronnie?
How many each, sir?
15. So maybe purple or blue. I'm seeing this. That's it. Or brown.
16.
So is this supposed to be for rising like this?
Gee, is it 16 each?
Huh?
Is it going to be rising run?
No. It's gonna be 2 graphs.
Oh. What, the y-axis and the x-axis?
Just. I'll talk about it soon. This is one graph. This is another graph. You're gonna be doing.
Is it 2 graphs in one?
Yeah, we're going next level now. Instead of 1 graph, we're going.
Is this mirror to each one? Or is this cheap?
This is still the warm up because we're gonna do 3 for assessment. I remember you shaking your head when we did the inference as well.
Hey?
All the time. And then you end up doing it anyway. Okay.
How much pieces is
15 each. So is it gonna be you 2? Or 3? Who's the 4? Yeah. No, I'm okay. Huh? get to the point where I might have to not come in tomorrow.
You serious though?
I haven't had a sick day all year. Yeah.
Don't wanna pass it
Why
on.
not? Sir? Why not?
Because who's gonna teach you guys?
Use it while it's there.
Sir, we need you.
Marion.
You know we don't want Mr. Cock. Because you know we're not wanting Mr. Cock.
He's catering now.
Is he full-time caterer? Oh, like,
Yeah. He used to work in a kitchen, like a busy kitchen.
everyone said that he's a shitty cook.
Oh,
And he's worth the food.
language, man.
Excuse man,
Come on.
eh?
All right, guys, are we ready?
Nope.
That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right.
Not mine, sir.
All right, guys, we're going to do something a little bit different today. So if you remember what we did last week, we looked at graphs, all right? And we looked at y-intercept, slope, and stuff like that. Yeah?
Oh, 2 days ago.
Yeah, sorry, 2 days ago. So we looked at one graph, okay? I know it's going to be distracting at the moment, but we're going to play with them soon. But what we're going to do today is we're going to look at what happens when you've got two lines, alright, and the interaction between two graphs, okay? So Monday we looked at one graph. Today we're going to look at two, alright? Because your assessment, you're looking at three different graphs at the same time, and how they interact with each other. So, has anyone heard this word before?
Yeah.
Intersection?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
You go up to the lights.
yeah, so at the light it's an intersection between two roads, alright, or intersection between
4.
two whatever thing you have. So if you're intersecting with something, that means that you're meeting someone at a point. Okay? So for example, if someone's running in this line and someone's running from this way,
Who has the right of way?
alright, they're gonna intersect at one point. So today we're gonna look at two lines and how they intersect, alright? That's what we're gonna do for the double today. So this is called an intersection. Yeah, so basically a point of intersection is also called a solution. So a point of intersection is the same thing. So whenever I say solution, in maths, a solution is just a point of intersection. Okay? So this is also, well, what I just said, what is this called also? What's another word for this?
For what? Intercept?
Yeah.
Solution.
Oh, thank you, Tamara. Solution.
Oh, solution.
Yeah. So instead of saying intersection, I can say solution or intersection. But when you're driving on the road, you're not going to say turn right at the solution, right? That doesn't make sense. But in maths, it makes sense, alright? Intersection and solution are the same thing. So whenever you're solving two equations, that's what you're getting. You're finding where it intersects, alright? So this is what we're going to do with the. Does anyone know the word for these things?
Blocks.
No.
Tube blocks.
It's,
Connectors.
yeah, close.
Block connectors.
Connect.
They're actually called Unifix cubes. Alright?
What?
Unifix. Yeah, Unifix
University.
So,
Is this important?
no, but I'm just saying.
Relevant.
So, well, it's not a cube because a cube doesn't have holes in it, right? Anyway, alright. So there are three ways in which you can have two things, two lines, alright? Just imagine roads. If you imagine roads, okay, it makes everything a lot easier, okay? So you can have two roads that either intersect, alright, meaning they meet at a point, or you can have two roads that run in parallel or like that are straight. So for example, if you're going this way, right, you got a road and the red's going one way and the orange is going the other way, right? The hope is that these two never meet, because if they do, you're going to have an accident, right? So, a collision. So, roads are
What's the word after the meet?
parallel. So you're hoping that the two sides of the road are parallel. If they're not,
Intersect.
Is this stuff good for like roading engineers?
exactly, yeah. So if you engineer a road and they're not parallel, right, you're going to have some guy that's, right, have you ever seen a road that one side is shorter than the other side?
Yep.
Yeah, or bad engineering. The point is, you should have them running side by side, right, so that they don't meet.
So it's actually gonna work.
But two rows, right, intersect. Or you can have them running all at the same point, right? So I can see that you're all excited to play with those. So what we're gonna do is put this up. All of you are gonna go up. It's not gonna be that hard. So what you're gonna do is you have 8 graphs, all right? So you've got 8 different scenarios, all right? In a minute, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Desmos, which is what we used on Monday.
Hey, I missed them.
You're gonna put these equations in, okay? So guys, listen, because this is what you're gonna be doing for the next half an hour. You're gonna put these equations in, and then you're gonna try and create those graphs with this. Then you're gonna take a photo of it, and then you're gonna upload it onto a PowerPoint of your graphs. Alright?
With what?
There should be one person in your group that has a camera. Phone.
Nowadays,
Don't
yeah.
even lie.
Nowadays, yeah.
Okay? So let me do a quick example so that you can follow and understand. I'll do the first one for all of you, right? So, I'm going to go to this Desmos graphing calculator. So desmos.com. Alright? Hit start graphing. Alright? All these are linked in your Google Calendar. So what I want to do is graph these two, okay? On the same plane. So all I'm going to do is go y equals, can someone read it? Y equals 5x, what was it?
Take away 2.
Plus 13.
Plus 13.
And then where it says 2, I'm going to draw another one, okay? Y equals 5x plus 12. Okay. Okay. And so I've got those 2 lines there, okay? So, I'm going to make my yellow one this one, so you can change the color of your line. So if I go here, and go city, okay, and then I change that to yellow. Oh, there's not even a yellow. Alright, doesn't matter. I'll change this one to, I'll make it orange,
Not even a white.
and
Wrong
I'll make
colour.
this one red. Okay.
Colours.
So I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and have a look at these 2 lines. What's going to happen?
Parallel.
Yeah, parallel, okay?
I remember this, sir.
So what I'm going to do is try and put it on your table so that it looks like that, okay? So on your table, I'm going to take my 2 things, and then I'm going to go, well, it sort of looks like this. This is what it looks like, okay? Right?
Too
You
much
got-
of a swipe to the right.
Yeah, well, try and make it as best as you can. Alright? So these 2 lines here, by putting them in a graphing calculator, okay, I can see that they're parallel. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take a photo of it and upload it onto a PowerPoint that
Put it on Facebook.
you know.
Check it on G+.
Not G plus today. Maybe at the end. So on your dashboard, alright, you have this thing called solutions to equations. So you're going to open up that PowerPoint, and it's just going to be, you just need one in your group, okay? Just one.
Where, sir?
In dashboard. Okay?
Is it solutions to linear equations?
Yep. So this is what you're going to do, alright? You're going to make a blank thing. Okay? Then I'm going to take my phone. If you don't have a phone, stop watching the movie. Take a photo of this, and I'll show you how to do this.
I don't have a phone, I'll be surprised.
People might not have data.
I need data.
Okay. Does everyone know how to email a photo to themselves or upload a photo
Yeah.
onto Drive?
But then you need internet, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, is the
It's
internet
not
not working?
rocket
sir?
science.
You must like stop
Sir.
You need internet. Guys, it'll take like 1 megabyte per photo. Can you
I don't
see?
have
I
data.
don't have data.
Or take your Chromebook, or take your Chromebook and take a photo using your Chromebook by turning it like that. Okay.
How's that internet, sir?
Internet's good.
With the computer?
Yeah, it's good.
But where's webcam on those computers?
Okay. So I've uploaded it to a folder. So if I go to my Google Drive, okay, it should be over
Did
here.
you create one for everyone, sis?
Huh?
Did you create one for everyone?
Yeah. So I don't know where I've put my photo. It hasn't uploaded yet. Come on.
Now it's taking 5 megabytes.
Bless you.
6.2 megabytes. All right. There we go. So wherever you uploaded it, okay. See how cool is that? Then you're gonna open it.
Oh, that looks nice. You did it perfect.
Green quality.
Okay. So I'll take a screenshot or whatever. Then I'm gonna put it in here. Shh. Guys, are we listening? So we can follow.
Oh, put it next to the answer.
Okay. Crop it out. Do some.
Hey, what's that?
Because I got.
Oh, that's right.
I know, but it,
So where do we find what, the equations we have to do, sir?
I'll leave them on the projector. Okay.
So they're not even shared with us?
Oh, it is. If you go to your dashboard,
Yeah?
there's
Workspace?
yeah, workspace,
Yeah?
systems of equations, all of it's there.
Oh, class 5.
Yeah, class 5.
You see the resources?
All right, boys, are we listening? So, once you got your photo in, then
Oh, it's just 3 credits.
yeah,
So much work. 3 credits.
guys, can we be? I'm almost done, so you'll be doing this soon. Now that you've got your photo, okay, the next part is you're gonna label it. Okay, so you're gonna take arrows. Okay, so this one here, and you can change the color and change the width of it. So maybe I'll change this to yellow. Okay, and then you can just write the equation. All right. So I remember that my yellow one was y equals 5x plus 13. Y equals 5x plus 13. And my red one,
What are you doing?
what was my red one?
YX plus 12.
Yeah, y equals 5x plus 12. All right.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
So y equals 5x plus 12. All right, that's it. So that's my first one. And then you guys are going to do the second one, and third one, and fourth one, and fifth, sixth, and seventh, and eighth one. Okay?
Is it all in one presentation? Like
Yeah.
the group?
And one group. All right?
So much.
Everyone get it?
Yep.
All right. So, boys, you get it?
Yeah.
Guys, come on. Can we be mature with these, please? 'Cause
This
I've
is,
given them to you for your learning. The reason that we're doing this, girls, boys, listen. The reason that you're actually using your hands, alright, is because you will never forget parallel, intersecting, and infinite intersections, right? When you actually have to take it from a screen
How do you change the color?
and do it physically,
so what's that equation?
that's the
The
first one.
formula.
So these are the ones that you have to do, okay? So, I've done that one, do this one. So, someone, if they have a netbook, okay,
So how come one's different to yours?
where? Oh, I just zoomed mine in.
Oh.
So if you just zoom in, you can see it a lot clearer.
Oh, okay.
Tracy. Tracy.
Does that make sense, guys?
Isn't it?
I'll be recording some of you doing it, alright? So, start playing up. Huh? Guys, quickly. You've got 8 to do.
Please show some rise values, guys.
You should
Okay? So off you go, guys. Boys, come on.
Is this how you do your intersection?
Yeah, so when you graph it first, and if you've got an intersection, yeah, either try and do it like that on top of each other, and then take a photo.
Or split.
Yeah.
Oh, this be easy to take photo of this one.
Yeah. Because then you can insert it straight away. Is that the one? Yeah.
Is this how second?
Yeah.
Oh, it should be closer.
How much on the actual graph do you need?
What do you mean? Oh, well, you're just using that to do a model, right? And then you're gonna take, but you don't need that. You just need a photo of what it looks like. Okay, guys, as you're doing it, I'm gonna come around.
I'll send that to your email.
You guys get it? Alright. So don't do one presentation each, do one per group. So that, and then just share it.
Just go on that site that
Oh, you mother. Can it be like this?
Wait, is that what it looks like?
Is there anything?
Yes. So that's very interesting. You will get one graph or some graphs where the lines are on top of each other. Alright? That means that there's infinite points of intersection because they intersect everywhere. So this is how you're going to do it, on top of each other. Alright? And you're going to take a photo from the side.
Oh, yeah.
Alright? So that you can see that they're on top of each other. Good question. Thank you. Boys, can we focus?
So we do find the student what?
Go to your calendar and there's a link there. Ronnie, I'm going to take a, can I video you doing one? I'll video you doing one. Alright? Just one example. So, yeah. Just do that next one.
What's the next one? Is it 1, 2, 1, 2, 3?
Oh, just, it doesn't matter. But you can do this way or this way.
Ooh, that's a good one. What way do you prefer, sir?
Yeah.
Back.
Yeah, just type in the graph. So y equals 5x.
Give me extra help.
Oh, is it?
Y
2 lines of 15.
equals 5x.
Oh, what the fuck?
So,
Well, you gotta make a presentation. You just follow it off the screen. Or you can open it up.
negative 2x
It's in your dashboard.
minus 8.
So how come that one's not coming up?
Nice.
Ah, no, that's right. But
There's something missing.
no,
Can you go like this?
what you can see there is that the 2 lines are on top of each other. So
So you
Oh,
can
no, it says So it can't be on top of each other because these are the staples.
y equals y. Do you want to do that minus 3y? Oh, because you put spaces.
I just copied and pasted it. It comes up right with spaces there. See no spaces.
So,
Yeah.
can you go like this?
Yes.
Good,
Is that what it looks like? Yeah, good.
So it's still coming up critical error.
I just dropped my finger.
What time were you up to last night?
Okay. Maybe change that equation. Sorry.
What were you throwing money?
The third box.
I'm disappointed it doesn't recognize that.
Are you going up to, from top to bottom and then next row top to bottom?
Alright, try that. So y equals minus 8, minus 18x, minus 15 divided by 3.
Did you check the what? Oh. Can you do that on me?
Yes.
Oh, what? Just complicated.
Oh, you can't copy paste it. You've got to do the fraction, so I'll show you. So to do it,
You just do forward slash.
no. So you go,
Y equals take away 18.
yeah, so y equals,
So even with that insert, it's still got an error just with that first part.
maybe it's not, maybe it doesn't understand.
Yeah, it doesn't understand it. No, understand it.
No, I don't.
Sorry, I don't understand it.
Did you do x like this x? Ah, because it's different x. So if you,
It's picking up for the other one.
nah, yeah, sometimes. Okay, if it doesn't work, you've got to do this x here.
Come on.
So it was right.
That's the exact same one.
Yeah, but that you're putting multiply.
No, I'm still putting, look, I'm still putting.
So can you freeze the
Oh yeah.
So I'm still putting this. I've done the X and it's still saying don't understand.
So y equals, so go minus 3.
With that X there too. Look.
Maybe it's the negatives.
Oh no?
Maybe, oh,
Go to chicken one.
Nah.
I need to have the photo.
there we go. You're going to do the minus by yourself.
I'll put on my note. What's the school?
Yeah.
Y equals
Was that the
x
equation?
plus
Yeah.
7.
Guys, if you get an error, it's because you're not, it's the minuses. Because that is in here, it's a forward, it's like a
So
long,
that's crossing over. Oh, that's
it's like
the top
an
of
M
each other.
dash. Yeah.
Y equals x minus 8.
So just type them in. Got it, boys?
Hey,
Engineering. Oh, that's
it looked like 40 more. One more. With Leroy blowing.
Tali. Morning. You're gonna have to join Nathaniel's.
Hey?
Okay.
Oh, good.
Guys, come on, collaboration. Teamwork. Leroy.
What do you mean?
Come on, man.
So they made the sky tower. So
Boys, like, seriously, you need to focus. So, have you graphed Leroy? These ones? And the kid's gonna graph it, take a photo, upload it, and we're gonna put it in the presentation. Alright?
What's the next one?
What about,
Y equals negative 6x. Oh, no, she does have Texas.
are they that close to each other?
She does have Texas. I got it.
Alright, so now what you're gonna do,
Oh,
take a photo, alright, upload it
she
to that,
texted you.
and you're gonna label each
What?
label
No.
this as y equals 3 units, you label that plus y plus 12. Sorry? Oh,
The black one?
I'm not sure if they have either or only. Charlie, you know what's going on?
No, he doesn't.
So what we're doing is we're graphing these onto Desmos, and then we're taking these little cubes and modeling it, taking
You
a
don't
photo,
understand my business.
uploading it, and then putting it and labeling it. So guys, as one person's taking a photo, the other person can label it. Okay? you've got a label like this one. Remember, like I showed you. So it has to sort of be like this. You've got a label, or you can do it after you do all of it and then come back. Okay.
It's making life difficult for good mistake time.
You can just, Tali, if you jump on one of those, you can open the same one and label them as he's doing it.
That's a good idea. No, seriously.
So make sure you share whatever you're working on. You got it?
Sir.
Yep.
Can you use that internet? No, you can't.
You don't even get on this,
No, they won't give it to you anymore.
or just use the, because there, you can insert right into the thing straight away. Alright, do you know how to do that?
I think that's you. I was changing that.
Oh, have you got your presentation?
What?
Alright, how's that looking?
So what if they
So what if you haven't been changing the colours?
That's alright. The colours is just to remind you what equation is what. But if you always remember that the white one is your first one and the yellow back one is the second one, that's fine. Okay? Or whatever.
Charlie, just scratch it back. I'm just going to do it myself.
So can you go back to the table?
Yep. Alright guys.
So where are you getting your arrow from?
Just here.
From where?
No, I'll come to you.
From the shape?
Pardon?
No, but it's way.
Depends on two.
Well, you can increase the thickness of it. Or you
I'll
can-
just do this one.
How we doing, girls? Seems like it might take way too long, eh?
The thing. There's no. Haven't even connected.
So how many possibilities are there? That means that they intersect at every point, alright? Because intersect that means that they meet, right? So if each one was a point, they're but remember lines going from infinity, alright? So they're gonna meet everywhere, they're just on top of each other. Well, that's not a line anymore. Remember, a line is an infinite straight line.
what if they bring something online?
What do you mean? Oh, yeah, they're still on top of each other. Yeah.
What's that thing called? This one.
Oh, well, if they both there, well, then they have infinite many intersections on two. Remember that y and x is just, it's just like a grid, right? Okay. Oh, nice, Tamara, looking good.
Yeah.
Make sure you're labeling as well.
How did I hear? There was y
Oh, nice
equals
one.
5.
Good. We're getting somewhere.
What was the equation?
Right here.
Y equals the purple one.
Alright,
Was
good.
the
Did you take a photo of
was
this?
the negative one.
Alright, do you know how to do it?
So the 5x
Open up any
plus
slide.
1, that's the blue one. There's 5x plus 1, yeah, the purple one is negative 2x minus 8.
So what you do is you go insert, because you've got a camera here.
I'm like a short.
Go insert image.
Oh, long, a long day.
See that?
Did I take a photo on the Wait, the thing, how do you take a photo with your pencil?
Yeah, negative 2x
Okay.
minus 8.
Press the search button on the left. No, on the keyboard.
Yep.
And then go to
Oh, webcam. Oh, yeah.
all apps.
Yep.
It's not rocket science.
Camera.
5x plus 1.
And then you can take a photo of it and upload it.
Go to the next one.
Yeah. So you can go like that. And then once you take it, then you upload it.
Yeah, that one. That one is
So you take it.
You're supposed to know it. Yeah. That's why.
Tell me
So you take it and then you've got to.
The colour. So you do it again. Yeah. I'll do the next one.
Don't bullshit, Johnny, I'm honest.
Right equals x7.
Respectful language.
Yeah. And then it's the same. Or x plus 7. X plus 7. And then the other one is y equals x minus 7. Or minus
So-
8.
Yeah.
X minus 8.
If you open up Desmos on that and graph the next one, or maybe
It's just no point.
maybe the last one.
Internet's not off, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. It doesn't.
Internet's not off, sir.
Oh.
Did you say it was an upgrade?
What do you mean upgrading?
There's a massive one there.
Maybe it's.
Yeah, you want to get the work done and someone else is working slow.
The Wi-Fi before.
This it must be the whip.
Yeah.
It was a lot of money as well.
Just wasted money on.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you want to know what Mr. Dunn's excuse is? Short-term pain, long-term gain.
Yeah.
I don't think it's short-term anymore because it's just been going on for
How many
way
pounds
too
did it take,
long.
sir?
Huh?
Thousands?
Oh, hundreds. I think.
Yeah,
At
that's
least
the second one.
tens of thousands.
So I was looking
Gone to
online
trash.
last night. You know how much it is for each student in the
That's
school?
that's the next one.
Like, to school at our school?
How much?
How much the government funds per one student?
That's like,
Over 10, eh?
Hey?
How much?
Just under 10 grand.
Just under 10, yeah.
So the red one,
Per year.
Yeah.
we'll make this one the red one.
10,
Look at all the money we're bloody wasting.
10 grand.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Look at the bloody money we're wasting.
Look at the money we're wasting here.
oh.
Okay.
So you reckon you walked out with $60,000 worth of education? No, $13,000 worth of education.
Who?
Everyone.
What do you mean 30,000?
Can you
You would have started
tell me
year one.
into that? Did you send that to me?
I
should
thought
look on
every
it.
school is different.
Yeah, but the
You
average is
could
out.
come from a TESOL 3 which they only fund 5,000.
Yeah, you're right. So this how one is the most expensive.
Oh, the TESOL 1A is most expensive, eh?
Yeah.
That's us.
Is that space bar?
Supposed to.
Oh,
Hey?
Internet back up. Nice. Tomorrow straight back into it. No excuses.
Basically, just wasted their money.
Yeah. Guys, are we going back into it?
It's just, is this money that the government are paying us, does it actually go towards our learning or?
Yeah.
I said if
I don't think so.
Remember, your teachers are around.
They're not paid by that, though, eh?
Yeah, sort of, yeah. That takes, the 5,000 takes into account your teachers as well.
Well, I don't know.
The roof, everything.
I don't know, I'm pretty thinking that this roof might collapse on me.
They moved school.
If I'm still alive.
At least we were going to die in an earthquake here.
We could have a tsunami.
Alright, hands up if you've done at least 2. Keep your hands up if you've done 3.
Yo,
4.
yo.
5.
Wait, those or?
Yeah. I'll give you another 10 minutes. When the bell goes, we're going to move on to
It's the,
our first site tomorrow.
it's
Which is-
What is it, Khan Academy?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a joker.
We chuck in presentations?
Yeah. You take a photo, you put it in.
But,
what's this one?
Push.
do you mind
Use your netbook then. Like, use a webcam on the netbook.
Nah, sir, I've lost it.
What do you mean you've lost it?
That was one further in. So it's only one further in
Come on, guys.
You just we can't use different colours, darling.
The first one,
What the hell goes through your bloody head, man?
that one is
Why
I
the hell do you
yeah.
have that?
Shh. Guys,
X plus
I don't hear respectful
The other one
communication
will be
between you two.
X minus 8.
Can we work as a team?
It's gonna be the way the camera never gonna think it's 3 lines.
Alright, boys. I'm thinking maybe we are not responsible enough to use these toys, eh? I want to bring more expensive toys in.
Cause I think this is probably like 10 cents a piece, so it's not going towards my $10,000 a year. Man, $10,000 a year and still expect to buy a jersey and donate it next year.
I
What
think
a
that
joke is, man. It's a sign of money hungry.
Okay, 9 minutes. Responsibility, guys, come on.
Just doing all the work myself.
Tell you, what you can do is just graph these and see what they look like on the other computer.
Selfish.
Come on, guys. Immature, eh? Speed.
did you get it?
Wasn't like that when he just
Okay,
came
the first one,
in.
refresh your number 4. Are we sure?
We did one so far.
Which one are you guys up to?
We'd like to put the photo in.
Because we didn't get like the photos.
As long as you got them saved on your phone, you can upload it later.
Oh, yo.
Oh dear. That's negative 6.
Is that the first one?
Which one's negative 6? Oh wait.
Definitely. Double check it on this one.
I don't know if it works.
Do we need solitary confinement?
He puts on the bloody thing and doesn't move.
Then make it move.
Which one is it? Oh, no, that one, I just done it.
So what's happening here? It's us.
That one is. That one. What's the second one?
Oh!
I don't even know that one. That one. It means the other one.
What was getting worse?
I haven't taken a photo of
Just
one. Yeah. The red one. The purple one is negative 6x plus 8. What 7 do you want this? Which one are you doing, Brett? The blue one. So the blue one will be 3x.
sketch this one and ask yourself.
3x plus y. Plus y equals negative 4. Oh, y equals negative 4.
So, yeah, can you send us the presentation or that?
Yep, it's all of this is on your student dashboard on your workspace.
What's the purple one?
So it's gonna
The purple one
I'm
is
trialing workspaces
y
versus
equals
sites because
negative
everything I'll just upload
x.
and you can use it.
So what's it y?
And all your files will be in
Negative
one place.
6x plus 8.
Alright?